Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of October. I can't believe it's already October. You guys, we're in the fourth quarter of 2025 and it's gonna go fast. But anyway, here we go. So I'm just gonna get into it and see what's in here, so let's get going. All right, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. I do appreciate all those things so much, so thank you for that. And so we're going to get in here and I'll just do a really fast sneak peek of what's in here. This box is $29 a month. If you've had it for a while, I get it annually, so I get it for a lower price. Plus, they didn't raise prices for people who are already locked into subscriptions. So I do get mine for like $21 a month, I think, due to those reasons. But the first box is only $10. Is that right? Or it's $10 off. So yeah, it's only $10 for the first box right now, and you also get a free gift with that and everything. So you may want to check it out. It's also a subscription that you can skip if you want, or you can cancel your membership anytime. So it is, I highly recommend Allure Beauty Box. Now they're known for skincare. That's what it's normally always been, but I got a little itch here. Now they're doing at least one makeup product, but I'm noticing sometimes might be more than one, and this one happens to have a few in here. So anyway, but they always start out with one item that you can choose every month. And so like on the first of the month, you can go in and choose what item. Usually it's just the same item, but a different color, or usually the difference is color, or type, I think, but the same product, but different type. So anyway, I'm going to start with that item. I usually always start with the item that we got to choose, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Brow Wiz brow pencil. I use this pencil kind of all the time right now. I like it. It's a pencil that doesn't have to be sharpened, so it just you can just turn it up, it can come up as you go, but it also has kind of a sharp end so that you can also, let me see which one this one is. They have a couple different styles, so let me see. This one is different than the ones I have been using. This one's just the fine tip right here. I'm excited about it. I think the eyebrow pencil I'm using right now doesn't seem right for me. It's kind of blending into my makeup or something, but this one, this one's a medium brown, but I think it will work great for me, so I'm excited. So this is a real thin one, so you can just do flicks here, and Anastasia has some of the best brow products. So they're kind of known for brow products. So that's the first item. Okay, so we have that. The next item, I'm just going to go along in the booklet, what they have here. The next item is, this is from, okay, so here it is right here. This is the Nulastin Lash Follicle Fortifying Serum. And when I saw the price, I about died. I looked at it and I said, is that $8? What's after it? There's a 4 after the 8, so it's $84. This is valued at $84. And so that's, anyway, it's a serum. I know lash serums are expensive. Most of the lash serums I've used, they do work really well, but most of them are ones that you put kind of right on your eye, on your you know, like almost like an eyeliner. And it just soaks into, you know, and helps your lashes grow. This one is, I'm going to open up here. This one is one you put on like mascara, but it says here patience is key because it's got a really fine, a really little, okay, so it is a brush. This says draw a thin line from the inner corner to the outer corner of your eye. I just don't, let me see what this, patience is the name of the game when it comes to lash serums. After using this conditioner, formulated with powerful peptides, hydrating glycerin, and strengthening keratin twice a day for at least 6 weeks, you'll notice longer, more lush-looking lashes. No mascara required. So with the brush applicator, draw a thin line from the inner corner to the outer edge of the upper lash line only. Repeat morning and night on clean, dry lids. So, you know, that $84 is only going to work for you unless you're consistent with it, it sounds like. But I've used other ones that still work within less than that amount of time. So, I'm going to give this a try, but especially for that price, I'm hoping it works well. So anyway, that's the second product I have here. The third product is from Wow Hair. It's a hair product, and this is the Color Security Shampoo. What they say is this, they say that this will keep your lighter hair from summer or whatever. Anyway, it's a shampoo, so it'll keep your lighter hair lighter, brighter. And so I'm definitely going to try it. I'm excited about this. So just to see how it works. This is valued at, let's see, this was, I believe, $24 for the full size. This is only just less than a third. So anyway, probably around $7 or $8 is what this one right here is worth. But it feels like there's a lot in there. So a good shampoo. So I'm going to start using it like right now. So it just says it helps preserve your color. Now I went a little bit darker recently. So, but my light hair still wants to come out. But I love color. I love the Wow products. So anyway, there's that. So that's our third item. The fourth item we have here is another makeup item, which I'm really surprised. This is from Ofra. It is an eyeliner pencil in black. I've never used Ofra's eyeliner pencils. I'm not going to open this, but it looks like it's one you'll have to sharpen. And it's valued at $13. So there we go. That's a full-size product. Looks like we've got 3 full-size products here, and then this one was just under a third. And then I got 4 more things here. Let's see what's next. Next, this is different. This is also a makeup product. I'm really surprised. This right here is the Real Her Magic Black to Pink mystery lip stain. So it definitely looks, see that? It looks black right there. So I'm going to open it up. I might even try it. So let's see what we got here. It is black. So it says it changes within a little bit of time. So, whoops. I'm going to put some on, just try some right here first. It does have a big doe foot. Now, it actually looks pink right now coming out. Oh, it's kind of a black, let's see. It's kind of a black pink. I don't know if you see right here. It's definitely black. Look at, I don't know if you could see. I can't see it, and it doesn't seem like it's showing in the camera, but if you can see, it's only like just over halfway full because this doe foot's so big. But anyway, so you're not getting a lot of product. But it says to put your lip liner on first and then do this. I think it does look pinker. I don't know. What do you think? Did you notice a difference? Rewind. Anyway, okay. So there's that. And this actually is valued at $24. It's another full-size product. This feels really good. Magic lip stain. It almost looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, it's very, it feels very good on the lips. It has a little bit of cooling, but it just feels really good. So I'm excited about that. So there's that. And then we got another, well, this is a serum. So I guess this is skincare. But you guys, is this like the first skincare? Most of these are like makeup type products. Okay. So this is from Sephora, and it is a sample. It's about a third of what a full size would be. The full size is 22, so this is probably about $6 worth. This is 8.8, and this is just a serum. It's vitamin C, vitamin E, which helps with dark spots and brightening your skin. I love those products in a serum, so I will probably use this up. It's, like I said, it's small, but I'll give it a try. So anyway, there's that. And we got two more things in here, and one is just a sample perfume. Now, if you guys, oh, wait, I don't think it's out yet. I have an advent calendar that I got, or just if that was in my Anthropology, but it's the cute little bottle of the Toka perfume, and it's just, I went crazy over it because I could put it in my collection of small perfumes. So I love this small perfume bottle collection. But this is the Toka perfume, and it does smell really good. I do really like it. I'm going to put a little bit right here. Yeah. It smells really good. So this, it's kind of different. So anyway, got a little sample of that. I'm not going to complain. It's you know, maybe 2 or 3 uses, but there's that. And my last thing here is it's called My Smile No Slip Whitening Strips. Okay, this is $56 for 21 treatments, so that's really pricey. This right here is only 2 treatments. I'm not sure if that's going to give you enough time to really see, but I'll try these 2 and just see if I notice a difference. So anyway, I think they're improving some of these, so we'll see. We'll see what these are like. So anyway, there's that. So that is our 6th and final product here, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There was 8 things in these box, but 2 of them were, you know, just little tiny kind of samples. So I got those 2. So anyway, let's see. So I got a sample, those 2 samples, so I'll put those in. I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the eyebrow pencil. Awesome. Awesome. And I got the Ofra, the black eyeliner, which we don't, like I said, we don't normally get this much makeup in a box. But anyway, I won't complain about it. This is the $84 Bougie eyelash serum, and so I'm definitely going to try this. I love eyelash serums. They do work, so they're kind of fun. So hey, if I got it basically, you know, almost free in this box, then I'll take it. So there's that. I got the Color Wow, the shampoo that's supposed to help keep my hair light and bright and shiny after summer. So there's that. And the Sephora sample serum with vitamin C and E. Love it. And so got that in there. And then the last thing is it's Real Her Magic Black to Pink Makeup mystery lip stain. So here we go. It's black in the bottle, came on pink pretty much on my lips. Felt good, love it. It's kind of like an oil. The only complaint I have is that the dough fit's so big that it left very little product in here. But anyway, so that's the last thing I have in there. So there's all my items. Let me know what you think. Do you guys get Allure Beauty Box? If you like it, we always have our value in here. Usually one item will double pay for the whole box. And this time I got 8 items. And so anyway, that was pretty exciting. So let me know what you think of Allure. Have you tried it? Are you interested in it? Just curious. And so that was it for today. Thank you guys for being here, and thank you so much for your support. And I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.